you're going in for dogs for adoption, there's a lot of them, again, as usual. Please come and take a look. Sometimes you don't even know you wanted a dog until you meet the right one. So just come take a look. Take them for a walk if you have some time. They really just want love and get out of the kennel for a little bit and try to relax. But come down, lots of dogs, lots and lots. So we'll get started this way. No, big baby. Hi, big baby. You got your ride out. Hi, big baby. Oh. Aussie male, St. Bernard. Housebroken. 5 years old. Good with kids, cats, and dogs. Hi, Aussie. Hi, big baby. You gonna wag your tail? How are you, Isabella? Hi, big girl. Hi, you big girl. And she's a female, housebroken, St. Bernard. 5 years old. Good with cats, kids, and dogs. So, 2 big ones. It'd be really cool if they could go together. They are very sweet, big babies. Hi, Dominic. Hi, baby. This is Dominic. He's new. Hi, baby. Neutered, Great Dane Greyhound cross. He can be tested. Not a lot is known about him. He was a stray. He can sit, shake, and lay. Very calm, not a barker. Hi, baby. I know. Hi, baby. I know. Okay, this is Kingston. Hi, buddy. What's this camera? What is it? What is it? Kingston is a male, intact, lab pit cross. He can sit, shake, and lay as well. Good with cats, dogs, and kids. He's also a mellower guy, not a big barker. We've got the 3 quiet ones on this side. Oh, now you're going to prove me wrong, huh? You're just whining. Hi, baby. I know. It's okay. So them 4 on this side. Not a lot of ruckus. And it gets loud. So I'll just show you the cards and show you the dog. Hi, baby girl. Hi, baby girl. Hi, Abigail. Hi, Abigail. It's no, get your ride, baby girl. See, she's trying to smell me. She's just really scared. That's all, just scared. Female polycross. I don't know if you can see that. Female polycross. Good with kids and cats. Okay, sorry. And this is Dahlia. Dahlia's working on a rawhide. enough. Hey, baby girl. The info later because you can't hear me, so never mind. Frostbite! Are you talking? Hey, baby. Hi! What is that? It's alright. Okay. Hey, baby girl. Hi, Jake. Hey, Steve-Bud. Hey, Steve-Bud. Marley. No, it's okay, baby. Don't get up. Don't get up. Bruno, the troublemaker.